Welcome to Bucklesham Hall, an exceptional country residence with 15th century origins, beautifully set amidst approximately 23 acres of Suffolk's most tranquil countryside. Approached by a private, resurfaced drive stretching nearly 3/4 of a kilometre, the journey to Bucklesham Hall is one of calm anticipation. The drive is framed by manicured grass verges and around 50 mature native trees, creating a grand yet understated sense of arrival. I'm Michael Warren from Finer Country, and I'm proud to be representing this magnificent estate, Bucklesham Hall. This stunning home combines timeless character with modern comfort, featuring bespoke timber-framed windows, traditional cast iron radiators, and a luxurious finish throughout. At the heart of the home is this beautifully crafted plain English kitchen, centred around an electric Aga and pearl ashes. Bespoke cabinetry, a large central island with wine fridge and tumbled limestone flooring flow seamlessly into the bright conservatory, a perfect spot to gather with family and friends while enjoying views across the terrace and landscape gardens. The elegant dining room with its Versailles oak smoked flooring and French doors that open over a York stone terrace is ideal for both intimate family dinners and parties alike. In summer, the doors can be opened to enjoy drinks overlooking the gardens and lake, while in winter, the impressive stone and brick fireplace creates a wonderfully atmospheric setting. The first and second floors provide 7 generous bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, all finished to a high standard. From the luxurious principal suite with dressing room and freestanding bath to the charming guest rooms with garden views, this home offers exceptional comfort, versatility and style throughout. The house sits gracefully within expansive formal gardens with ancient woodland, established borders and beautifully kept lawns. It's a sense of inspiring space and it's just serene. Beyond the gardens lie enchanting woodland walks and a natural wildflower meadow, a haven for wildlife and a perfect retreat for quiet reflection. Paddocks and spring-fed tranquil ponds extend the estate's charm, making this the ideal setting for equestrian or outdoor pursuits, or simply to enjoy nature at its finest. The current owners have constructed this wonderful pond which you can do summer swimming in, and this magnificent waterfall which they've named Hooper's Falls. A traditional cart lodge provides further versatility, complete with its own independent heating. Above, a fully converted first floor offers a stylish and practical office suite, complete with shower and kitchen area. Offered with no onward chain, Bucklesham Hall offers country living on a truly grand scale, where heritage, beauty and peace come together in perfect harmony. If you'd like to arrange a private viewing, please get in contact with me and the details that follow.